Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. I promised you a special guest, and I'm very happy to have my friend, my coworker, Stephanie Thompson, joining me this morning because you did such a good job taste testing those ranch pickles the other week ago or so. So I said, you know, Carol's gone, why don't you fill her shoes? So she graciously said, yes, I got a recipe, and I would like to share it. And it's a TikTok recipe?
It is. It's a viral TikTok spaghetti is what it's called. And at first I'm like, I don't know, because it's a weird kind of mixture, but at the same time I was interested in what it would turn out to be. So we tried it once, the family liked it, so we did it again.
Wonderful. Okay, so we pre-made a little bit of it just for time purposes.
Yes, so I pre-made the pasta sauce, which you take a pound of ground beef with half a yellow onion that's diced, and just add minced garlic and your favorite pasta sauce. You can use Prego, Ragu, whatever your favorite pasta sauce is. And I just do the traditional one, but I'm curious to see like adding the tomatoes and the different chunks, what that would be like. So I might try that again sometime. And you just season that with whatever you want, brown it, drain it, and then, sorry, I'm getting nervous and ahead of myself, but you brown this and then add your sauce.
Okay.
So it's just kind of staying warm here on the burner, and while you're making these two things, you have your spaghetti noodles boiling.
Okay.
But I made that today.
For time purposes.
For time purposes. So today I'm going to actually show the making of the Alfredo sauce. And so you use a stick of butter and then 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream.
So this calls for the spaghetti sauce and the Alfredo sauce?
Yeah, that's what the interesting mixture combination is. So,
but I gotta tell you, it smells really good in here.
Oh boy, the onions were crazy.
Yeah. So it's two cups of heavy whipping cream?
2 cups of heavy whipping cream.
A stick of butter.
And a stick of butter. And season it with the pepper and add garlic powder.
Okay. I'm just gonna stir.
Thanks for stirring.
Yeah, and this is a non-stick pot, but still.
My grandson helped me stir last night, so that, because you know I had to try again.
But before, I know we're just kind of dumping and doing whatever, but we need to not forget today's a very special day, a very special day for you and your family. Birthday shout out.
Yes, happy birthday to my mom today.
Yay.
Happy birthday, Mima, Mom. Hope you have a great day. She's always dreamed of me being on TV, and here I am on her birthday. So
happy birthday.
That's her birthday gift I told her.
Well, that's nice. Happy birthday, Debbie.
Yes, happy birthday. So to this mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. And the TikTok recipe shows the powdery Parmesan cheese. No.
No, not Stephanie.
Well, and I kind of got this tip from my friend Melanie.
Okay.
So she recommended using this Parmesan cheese instead of the other. So we are going to...
It has its own saltiness. I mean, the other Parmesan cheese does too, but this... okay, so 2 cups of Parmesan.
Yes, and so then we just are going to melt this all together and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes after it's all blended together. And then we'll
be ready to assemble?
Yeah, it's going to be.
So this is a good place to take a quick break, and we'll finish this recipe up with our good friend Steph right after this. Don't go anywhere, friends. Okay, we're wrapping this recipe up with Stephanie Thompson, my guest cook today. We just added nothing. We just chatted a little bit. Okay, so what kind of container?
So this is a Pampered Chef 9x13 pan that I don't have to spray.
Okay.
So I use that, but just a 9x13 baking dish, and then these noodles need to be poured in there.
Okay. And this is just how many ounces of is this just a package?
A pound of spaghetti.
Okay.
Is what that is. And
wow,
holy cow,
that's a big pound.
Yeah, it is. Okay, and then we are going to take.
And our oven's set at 350. We just left it on from the strawberry.
And the Parmesan hasn't completely melted in the Alfredo sauce, but for TV purposes today, we're going to go ahead and just
We got that.
pour this together.
This is the first step?
Yep, this is the first step.
This looks amazing. If you have kids like well, my kids are out of the house, but if you like Alfredo, we have chicken Alfredo at least once a week. Do I need to?
Yes, we're gonna mix it all together. I'd take this.
Okay, well, I'll let you take that. That might work a little
Maybe
better
I'll
than
make
this.
a mess. Hopefully not, but we're gonna mix it together. Get some of this.
If you could just, I wish you guys could be here just to smell it.
It does smell good, but your dump cake smells really good too. Yeah. So we have like a whole meal here at the station today.
A smorgasbord. And this is, your family tried it and approved of it, so.
They did. Little Emmett ate his whole serving last night.
Yay.
And he is a spaghetti guy. And then, yeah, everybody seemed to like it. And the first time I made it, we didn't hardly have any leftovers. So here's where it gets interesting.
Okay. And we love
Did
interesting.
you see me? I just licked my finger, sorry.
Yep, you're fine.
So this is, you pour your pasta sauce on top.
Man, that's a lot.
It
I mean,
is.
this is a good recipe to.
You could take this like to a potluck,
Yeah, oh yeah.
church meal, whatever. It feeds so many people. And, you know, just season your spaghetti pasta sauce however you like it. And then we are topping it with mozzarella cheese.
Say it ain't so. Wow. Yum.
I got to clean the kitchen when we're done.
Oh, you're fine. You should see my house. That's why yesterday I asked what was the cleanest room in your house. I'm trying to declutter. So we'll share this recipe on our website at nebraska.tv. Stephanie, thanks for being with me today.
Thanks for having me
appreciate
on.
it. If you have a recipe you'd like to share, we'd love to have you. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll chat at you tomorrow.